There was a kingdom in the Neverland. A beautiful princess lived in the palace with her grandmother because her parents, the king and the queen, passed away 2 months ago. Princess Tessa looked sad since then. She never smiled or laughed anymore. Until one day.
What happened? Why are you crying?
Nobody wants to play with me. I am so lonely.
Poor dear. Come here.
Nobody likes me.
What's happening, dear? Tell me.
I went to play with other kids in the park. But nobody wanted to play with me.
What did they say?
Nothing. They just didn't talk to me.
Did you talk to them?
No.
Why? Why didn't you talk to your friends?
I don't know.
Now, look at me. Give me your big smile. That's good. You look nicer when you smile. Now, greet me nicely. Go ahead. Come on, try.
Hello, Grandma. How are you doing?
That's better.
Stop it, Grandma, please.
Now, go back to your friends. Do like what you did to me just now. Come on, don't be shy. Go get your friends.
Okay. Hi, Linda. Hello, Princess Tassia. How are you doing? Just fine. And you, Princess Tassia? I am good. Where is everybody? In the park. Do you want to go and meet them? I do. I miss them. Okay.
The two girls went to find their friends. Princess Tessa was gradually cheerful as she used to be. She slowly forgot her misery of losing her parents.